We are here today because you hit your target on the account of $15,000. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your story as a trader? How and when did you start it? And then we can go from there, okay?
Okay, no problem. No problem. Thank you very much for the time, and I'm working with Audacity Capital. Okay, like you said, my name is Onwoka Kalu Onwoka. Okay, I'm a trained public affairs professional. I have 12 years experience in the oil and gas sector. So
Okay.
yeah, I started trading 2019. Before then, what led me to trading? Okay, as at 2016, when there was an oil recession in the global oil and gas sector.
Yeah. Okay.
Most companies in the country left, most foreign companies, because I was working with an oil and gas company in Nigeria, and they were from Netherlands and all that. So the oil crunch globally affected them financially, and they had to leave the country. So invariably, we were paid off, we were laid off.
Okay.
Kind of, because there was no business going on in the country any longer. So I got into a personal business after that, because I had some money with me, and I started my own company. We're into haulage business and all that. But along the line, the business didn't do well, to be honest with you. It didn't do well, and I was struggling a little bit, because it was like coming from a professional sector to a private sector, which I was not very aware of and all that. So I struggled a little bit. Yeah, so I lost some money and all that. So along the line, while I was trying to get my feedback and all that, a friend of mine from the US just called me and told me that, have I heard about Forex trading and all that? I said, yeah. He said, I can actually get an EA. You understand? Me, I didn't even understand what was EA and all that. So I can get an EA, and I'll put it in my money, and I'll start making money and all that. I was like, wow, is that true? He said, yeah. It was very funny. It's very funny. I said, why is that true? He said, yes, I'll just put it. So he sold an EA to me. That was 2019 and all that. You know, I still have some good amount of money, and I carried the whole money, opened a Forex trading account, got the EA, and I stored the EA.
Okay, so you started with Forex with the EA.
Yes, we're in EA, yeah, we're in EA, yeah.
Okay.
So along the line, that the first month of putting the EA, I made some money. I will not lie. I made some good money. I was like, wow, is it so easy to make money like this and all that? You know, so I now got more money and put. I'm talking about like like about 50 grand, like about $50,000 and all that. You know, I put the EA there and all that. Do you know, within a space of 3 months, I lost the whole money.
I wish I could say I am surprised, but I'm not. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that was a very sad lesson and all that, because it really hit me so bad. So and I was like, man, what was going on? As in, what actually happened for this EA to actually make money for me and blew this money? That means there's something in this business that I need to learn and all that. So I got curious, because then I wanted to get into something very serious, and I got interested in Forex business and all that. So I wanted to learn Forex. I said, no more EA. Let me try and get a proper education. You understand about this business and that. Then that was 2020. When I was searching for information, I got a friend of mine who was like, he has an academy and all that. So he told me that he has been a forex trader for like 15 years and all that. He has an academy and all that. So when I told him my story and all that, he said, okay, that what he would do for me, that he would put me in his academy for free, because he was a high school mate of mine and all that. That shouldn't pay for his academy, that should just come and learn and all that. So that's how I got into his academy. And I started trading and all. I started learning trading the proper way,
properly.
the way properly, you understand. So that was my, that psychology of that amount of money I lost. It really hurt me so much because I was trying to make the money back and all that, and I kept on
Revenge trading, yeah.
very trading. I kept on seeing really. I struggled a lot. What I mean, I struggled a lot. 2020, I struggled. 2021. That's when I now started. Then I have acquired some little bit of knowledge about trading, and
Mm-hmm.
that was when I made up my mind that I was going to be a full-time trader. I wasn't looking at deteriorating my business any longer. I said I was going to focus. I'm not going to look for a job any longer. I'm going to get into
Focus on
full-time
this.
trading. Yeah, focus on this. So that was when I started. That was 2001, and since then, it has been struggle. It has been on and off. I was not making money. I'll make money. I'll lose money. I'll make money. I'll lose money. Just like that. So, but at the time, and after that year, then 2022, it was like I now got very good knowledge of what I wanted to do and how to proper risk and all that.
Mm-hmm.
So I was struggling with my money. But then I didn't have a lot of capital then. I had about 7,000 and all that,
Mm-hmm. So it
grand.
was not enough for
Yeah,
you to
it wasn't
generate
enough.
a full-time
Yeah,
income from there.
income. Yeah, so I was still struggling and all that. Then along the line, when I was going through, because I started listening to some YouTubers and all that.
Mm-hmm.
And that was how I now got to see Audacity Capital. Then in my life, I never knew there was something like pro firms, and I never heard there was something like that. And
Yeah.
so I got interested, and I made some inquiries. I entered the websites, and just somebody called me and said they were going to schedule an interview
Mm-hmm.
and talk and all that, which they did, and we started up and all that. So it was from
Good.
then, and I started reading up about other pro firms, what pro firms are all
Mm-hmm.
about, and I now got to know about the prop industry and all that, prop firm industry.
So
So
at the moment, how many accounts are you managing? Only the account that you have with us, or are you working with different accounts? Maybe you
so
have your personal funds as well.
yeah, to be honest with you, I have my personal account.
Mm-hmm.
I have I have I have with Audacity. Then I wanted to experiment because I'm somebody that like to have an informed decision. So I wanted to look at another profile, which I did. You
Mm-hmm.
understand? I don't have to mention their name because
No, no,
probably
no.
the
Yeah.
experience. Yeah, yeah. I don't want to because I wanted to because this is something I want to do, take serious and all that. So if I have to do it, I have to do with the best and all that. So I tried other firms
Of
to
course. Of course.
just to have a market survey of what the prop market is all about. So I did. But currently
That's good.
I'm currently with Audacity and my personal account now.
Why don't you tell me now a little bit about your strategy? First of all, with us, you trade on the Forex market. I had a look at your account. From what I can see, you don't really have a specific currency pair that you trade. You trade
Yes.
different currency pairs. What is the strategy
Yes.
that you use?
Okay, currently, because when I was learning and all that,
Mm-hmm.
I trade mainly based on indicators. I have to be on. I trade with
Mm-hmm.
I try to I combine the leading and the lagging indicators together. Like
Okay.
for my leading indicators, I use the pivot points. I use
Okay.
the pivot points, and I focus on the CPR, the central pivot range. That
Mm-hmm.
determines a lot of my strategy. Then I'll definitely have a 200 moving average and a 50 moving average on my charts.
Mm-hmm.
Then I now look at the previous day high and the previous day low.
Mm.
So when I come to the market, I check where the price is at, whether it's above, if it's above the 50, the 20, the above the CPR, and also has broken the previous day high. I take my direction. It's a confirmation for me that the price is going to be bullish. reverse is the case when I want to short and all that. And I try to look at my trades at 30 minutes time frame and 1 hour time frame.
Okay, that
I
was
use
my question. Like on
okay.
which time frame you do your analysis? You said 30 minutes, 1 hour.
30 minutes. I use two time frames to confirm my direction of where I want to go in the market.
Okay.
Yeah.
And tell me something. Would you consider yourself to be more into intraday trading, or you tend to keep the position longer, open for longer?
No, I don't. I'm an intraday. I don't take my position more than 3 hours, 4 hours.
Okay,
And
okay.
I scalp in between when I
And you
see a
scale.
short in between trades. But I'm mostly an intraday decent trader.
Okay.
Mm.
What about your money management? You said that during your journey, you learned and implemented, month after month, money management and risk management in your way of trading. Uh, with us, you have a certain lot size, you have certain rules that you need to respect. Do you think that those
Okay,
rules
are you
are
there?
actually helping you? Tell me something more about that.
To be honest with you, that was a game changer for me. Let me be honest with you.
Mm-hmm.
I I struggled with my risk management because you know that thought that I have lost a lot of money in the past,
Yeah.
and I want to increase my loss to see whether I can make that money back. It was really hurting me. I was really struggling with risk management. But when I came to Audacity, I found out
Mm-hmm.
that there was a peg on the amount of lot you can actually use and
Mm-hmm.
all that. That really
Yeah.
helped me a lot because I tried that thing really helps my trading currently right now because I have now understood the importance of this in risk management. I don't take some certain I don't take I have a maximum loss I can take on a particular trade and all
Mm-hmm.
that. So it has really helped me to stay focused, and it has become habitual right now, even on my personal account.
That's what I wanted to know. If now
Mm.
basically the money management that we ask you to apply on our account, you are
Yes,
also transferring that on your personal
personal.
funds. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. That's what I have done. So it has really helped me a lot to at least to steady my process, and I'm
That's
very
good.
glad.
That's actually
Yeah.
really important because
Mm.
nowadays working with a prop firm is actually something that can really be life changing for a trader because it doesn't have to risk their personal funds. But the
Mm.
importance of having rules, the importance of money management to implement the money management and risk management on the account, that can actually be the make it or break it of a trader strategy.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's very good. That really helps me. Yeah.
What would you say that now? I think you joined the program in October, November, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. What would you, based on your past results with us, what would you change? Where do you think you still need to improve? In which area you feel like you still need some improvements?
No, my improvement is my timing of my trades. Like
Timing. Okay.
yeah, I don't let my trade run for a long hours and all that. I
Mm.
always either I close early or I close early, and eventually when I come back to the charts, I find out that the trade has even gone more pips higher, and I'll be regretting and all that. Or when I close the trade or just on a loss, I find that the trade will come back and just reject a particular zone and go in my direction and all that. So
Ah, I
that's
see.
that's uh, that's the area that I'm still working on and this
You
improving.
need to believe a little bit more in your analysis then.
Yes, 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 yes. Even though it's I have confirmed very profitable. You know, the truth about it, I have to be honest with you. You know that fear of losing money because
Mm-hmm.
of what has happened in the past is
Because of
still
what happened to you.
yeah, I'm still trying to overcome it, and I know it's a gradual process. So I
It is.
know,
Yeah.
yes, I've gotten at least 80% of it. I'm no longer scared to enter a trade when it aligns with my strategy. I'm no longer scared to leave a trade. As long as the risk management is proper, I don't even care any longer, because I know that whatever happens, this is the amount of money that I'm going to lose and all that. So, and it has really helped me a lot.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
fine. No, that's
yeah,
fine. So
yeah.
overall, you are having a good journey with us. So far, so good, right?
Yes, very good. Yeah, yeah, very good. Yeah.
How is it going now on the $30,000 account?
Currently, I've not gotten the 30,000 accounts
Okay,
for
take your
yeah,
time.
yeah. I think the payout for the payout for the first target has not been. I've not gotten my payouts and all that. So maybe
Mhm,
probably that's what I don't know whether that's a prerequisite for me to get my 30,000 accounts. I don't know, because I'm having, in Nigeria, we're
mhm.
having so we're having elections in Nigeria. So
Oh yeah,
the banking this thing has not been very steady and all that. So I've not submitted a new account detail, because the one I submitted first
yeah. I'm
didn't go
still
through.
waiting
So
for that.
yeah, it didn't go through. And I think Frederica, you're the one I'm talking with, and I
I
promised to
am the
get
one.
another
Yeah.
one. Yeah. I'm trying to get another account details, upon probably a wise account, which have not been able to do. But I'm looking at by the end of close of business today, I'll do that.
Okay.
But if it doesn't stop my getting my 30,000 account, I should have it, and whenever I sort out the account details, the transfer can be done and all that. I don't
Yep.
mind.
You let me know when you're ready, and we will make the transfer from our side.
The transfer of the account, of the 30,000 accounts, or the payouts.
Your account has been doubled already. You can trade.
I don't have the details. Okay,
It's
you
the
see
same details. It's the
I
same
did not
login
know.
detail.
Nobody told me. I didn't know about that. I didn't know about that.
But we did send you an email about that.
I didn't get any. You just said my account has been. I remember.
Your
I don't
account has
remember.
been doubled. Yep.
Okay, okay. I will check that right at the moment, and I'll get back to you on WhatsApp.
Sounds good. Okay, then.
Mhm.
Onwuka, thank you very much for today's interview.
Thank
Best
you
of
very much
luck
for having
on
me.
your 30K account. And
Thank you
maybe
very much.
we can speak again on the next target. Okay?
Yeah, thank you very much.
Have a
Thank you very
great
much.
day. Bye.